Welcome to our Introduction to Project Management video. In this guide, we'll demystify project management, explain its importance, and introduce you to key terminology. Imagine you're leading a project to develop a new software application. You have a vision, a goal to deliver a cutting-edge product within a tight timeline while managing resources and staying within budget. But here's the challenge. How do you ensure this ambitious IT project progresses smoothly and efficiently? Without proper management, it could lead to miscommunication, scope creep, budget overruns, and delays. That's where project management comes in. Project management is like the conductor of an orchestra, guiding all the elements to produce a harmonious masterpiece. In this case, an innovative software solution. It's a systematic approach to planning, executing, and overseeing a project from start to finish, just like managing a complex IT project. Project management includes defining objectives, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure, which is crucial for turning a software idea into a functional application. Why is project management so important? Let's revisit our software development project. Project management enhances efficiency by ensuring that every phase of software development is organized, controls costs to prevent financial overruns, ensures the highest quality of coding and testing, and manages time effectively to meet deadlines. Ultimately, it's about achieving success and satisfying stakeholders. In our example, it's delivering a top-notch software application on time and within budget, making clients and users ecstatic. Now, let's dive into some key terminology you'll encounter in the world of project management using our IT project. First, we have project scope, which defines what the software project will and won't include, such as features, functionalities, and limitations. Next, work breakdown structure, WBS, breaks down the IT project into manageable tasks, such as software design, coding, testing, and deployment. Critical path identifies the longest sequence of tasks, determining the project's timeline. In IT, it identifies the key phases critical to meeting the software release date. Risk management involves identifying and mitigating potential challenges that could impact your IT project, such as software bugs, security threats, or data loss. And stakeholders are anyone with an interest or involvement in the software project's outcome, including clients, end users, and your development team. Understanding these terms is essential for the successful management of IT projects, just like it is for constructing a skyscraper. That wraps up our introduction to project management. If you want to dive deeper into this fascinating field, check out our other project management videos. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights into the world of project management. Thank you for watching. Stay organized, stay on track, and stay successful with project management.